we are advising our trading fraternity across country that beside having their physical shop, they should also have their presence in online spectrum as well.
मैं तो ऑफलाइन ही प्रेफर करती हूँ ज़्यादातर।
अराउंड 30% तो इफेक्ट आता है ऑनलाइन की वजह से।
We have advised them that the cheapest or rather free mode is WhatsApp business application. They will keep their shops as well and they will have their presence and on online landscape as well.
Isn't 10 minutes home delivery super convenient? A few taps and poof, milk, bread, even namkeen at your doorstep. But while we're enjoying the shortcuts, it's your nearby Kirana store, the heartbeat of every neighborhood that is quietly taking the hit. Many shopkeepers had no other choice but to shut down their shops once the demand for online shopping started going up. It became harder for them to compete with e-commerce companies, killing the businesses of Kirana stores, stated Praveen Khandelwal, MP and Secretary General of Confederation of All India Traders.
See, there are almost more than 9 crore small businesses in the country, which provide employment to around more than 30 crore people across country. But yes, the online companies, particularly these quick commerce companies, they have bitterly killed the small kirana stores. I say, why we need 10-minute delivery? Because on every nook and corner of the country, we have our kirana stores, and all these quick commerce companies, they were purely delivery apps. They were not into business. Now they are also flouting the rules. They are having their dark stores where they keep the inventory, and everything they deliver within 10 minutes. See, 10 minutes means emergency. When you have emergency, then you need a thing in 10 minutes. But why we need bread and butter in 10 minutes? So these quick commerce companies are responsible for killing the small kirana shops in the country. Already many kirana shops have been closed because of the ulterior motives and practices of these quick commerce companies. We have complained to the government and government has taken cognizance of this issue, and they have been advised to toe the line that they do not have any authorization for having stocks, but they are having their dark stores. So government has already taken few steps.
Despite the efforts by the government and trader associations, traders are still finding it hard to survive in this digital era. Although the business is slow, it is certainly unstoppable. Shop owners are urging the youth to visit markets to buy things they would normally buy online and support local businesses.
जनरली जो नया कोच है वो बाजार में आना नहीं चाहता एक्चुअली में। अगर वो आना चाहे तो बाजार काफ़ी बूस्टअप हो सकता है। मतलब जैसे पहले था, उनके पुराने जो आते थे उसके हिसाब से आते रहे तो बूस्टअप रहता है बाजार। और अब धीरे धीरे आते भी हैं, कई बार ओकेजनली आते हैं, कभी तो फेस्टिव सीजन में आते हैं, कैसे आते हैं, फ़ोन पे भी मंगाते हैं, ऐसी बात नहीं है। मगर फिर भी मतलब रेगुलरिटी अगर उनकी ज़्यादा रहे तो बाजार और अच्छा बूस्ट हो सकता है पहले के कंपैरेटिवली। क्योंकि अब जो जनरल आइटम में डिमांड पहले से अच्छी है, कम नहीं है। मगर ये है कि ग्राहक फिजिकली थोड़ा सा आलस कर जाता है आने का, तो इस वजह से बाजार में थोड़ा फ़र्क ज़्यादा है।
While most of the shoppers prefer ordering products online for their daily needs, there still exists an old school chunk that prefers visiting local shops to buy their essentials for better rates by relying on traders with whom they have developed a trusting and emotional bond.
ऑनलाइन एक्चुअली महंगा बहुत पड़ता है, उसमें जो टैक्स इंक्लूड हो जाते हैं सारे, काफ़ी तरह के टैक्स हो जाते हैं। अगर कोई चीज़ हमको 50 रुपीज़ की है तो वो उसमें टैक्स वगैरह इंक्लूड वगैरह सब करके हमको ऑलमोस्ट 95 100 तक भी पड़ जाती है, इतना रेट का फ़र्क पड़ जाता है उससे। तो इसलिए, और बेसिकली इमोशनली अटैच होते हैं मार्केट से, क्योंकि हम लोग शुरू से यहीं रहने वाले हैं, यहीं खरीदारी करते हैं। ऑलमोस्ट 20-25 साल हो गए यहाँ रहते हुए, तो दुकानदार भी हैं, सब जानते हैं, और बेनिफिट तो है यहीं पर ही। आप एक प्रोडक्ट के 4 प्रोडक्ट और देख सकते हैं।
Sure, scrolling and ordering from the comfort of your home is easy, but will your app recommend Desi Nuskhe for your ailments? Because your neighborhood kirana shop doesn't just sell atta and biscuits, it sells trust, friendly banter, and that extra green chili for free. So maybe, just maybe, the best deal isn't in your app cart but right around the corner.